animals, and cultural heritage includes music, dance, astrology, astronomy, sculptures, art, and painting. Let us know what is legacy. I should know that when our Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and other freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for our country. That was the display of legacy. When our Indian Army Force, Air Force, Navy Force soldiers standing on Indian border of irrespective weather, that is the display of legacy. My dear friends, do not ask what can country do for you, but always ask you can do for country. My dear friends, Indians' heritage and legacy conservation is not only duty of government, it is the duty of you, me, and everyone. My dear friends, Veds are the earliest document of human mind. Veds gives more information. There are 4 Veds in India: Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved, and Atharva Ved. We find in Veds simplicity, charmness, freshness, and we should import to understand the mystery of the world. Music is the oldest heritage of India. Indian classical music based on rags and tals. There are 2 Indian classical music based in India: Carnatic classical music and Hindustani classical music. Dance is the very oldest heritage of India. There are 2 types of dance formed in India: folk dance and classical dance. Classical dance derived from mythological book and literature book. There are 5 classical dance displayed in India: Kathaka, Kathakali, Manipuri, Odissi, and Bharatanatyam. India has many temples, tourism spots, sculptures, and heritage, such as Mahabalipuram Jama Masjid, Meenakshi Temple, Kedarnath Temple, Badrinath Temples, Konark Temples, Jagannath Temple in Odisha, Golden Temple in Punjab. India has a great literature heritage. Our great poet Mahakavi Kalidasa's Meghadutam, Abhigyana Shakuntalam, and our Odisha famous poet Kavi Samrat Upendra Bhanjas Koti Brahmanda Sundari Lavanyavati Vaidehisa Vilasa, and are very rated highly for his literary excellence. Our Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize for his famous poem Gitanjali. Our great poet, Odisha's great poet, Santha Kavi Bhima Bhois Smruti Chintamani, 2 line has been printed on United Nations. The 2 line is Praninko Arata Dukha Pramita Dekhu Dekhu Kiba Sahu Mo Jivana Pache Narke Podi Thau Jagata Uddhara Heu. Poet Commander Rakesh Sharma, who was one and only Indian citizen who traveled to India to space, he got an opportunity to speak with Srimati Indira Gandhi, who was the Prime Minister of India at this time. Indira Gandhi asked Rakesh Sharma, how looked India on outer space? Rakesh Sharma replied, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. That means India is the best country of all. Swami Vivekananda is our great heritage. When Swami Vivekananda went to America, he got an opportunity to speak with world's religion. He spoke that sisters and brothers of America. Then he famous. Our Noagarh district have many legacy, such as Khandapada block, Samanta Chandrasekhar Sinha, Harichandran Mahapatra, Kosti Dakua, Arjuna in Noagarh block, Raghu Dibakar, Ishwar Vishai in Ranpur block, Govinda Mishra in Baspula block. Lastly, I conclude my declamation. Jai Jagannath.